Hey, my name is Tim, and in this video I'm going to show you how I get my logos. You're probably in this position right now. You're either starting a blog or an online shop, a website, maybe you just founded a company and then you need a logo. Now you have 3 or 4 options. You can either start and try making your own logo by using a service like Logo Maker, maybe Paint or even Photoshop. I also tried that before. This can definitely work, but in my experience it doesn't really look good or professional in the end, and I would rather spend my time doing something more productive. The second option is hiring a professional graphic designer, maybe via 99 Designs or through Upwork, or maybe you also know some freelancers. Generally they are way more expensive. In this case it will cost, I think, $99. I never used it before. That can definitely be a great option for you, but not in the budget for everyone. So I would say if your project is a little bit more serious, definitely use that. But otherwise I have another option, which is Fiverr.com. Fiverr because most services cost exactly $5. Now that doesn't mean that the quality of their services is bad. The price is simply so low because the vendors are sitting in countries like India or Pakistan. They know what they're doing and they are also experts. Maybe not on the level of 99 Designs, but it's definitely not bad for the price. I always get my logos from here, and I would also suggest using it if your budget isn't unlimited. Getting a logo on this page isn't really hard. In order to do that, we have to visit Fiverr.com. I also linked them in the video description and in the comments. If you use that link, I would really appreciate it because it's my affiliate link. That means Fiverr will see that you came through my link and I will get a little commission in return. That is at no extra cost for you, but helps me in creating these free tutorials. Now we land on this page. Fiverr also wants us to sign up for an account now, but we don't need to do that, so we can click out of there. And here we already have logo designs because the link in my video description automatically redirected you to logo design, and in the price range to €7, sorted by best selling. Otherwise you can also just search for logo design, fill in your price range and sorted by best selling. I would definitely recommend only choosing sellers with above 4.5 stars and at least 100 reviews, I would say. What you can do then is just open some of them up, click through the pictures and take a look at them. Maybe you like the designs from some. This one, for example, doesn't look bad. On your right hand side there are the packages. In most cases they have a basic, standard and premium package, but the basic package should be enough. Here you can also see what is in there. So in this case it would be 2 starter logos, the source file, 2 initial concepts, logo transparency and a high resolution. I don't think you really need more, but I will choose another one. And like I said, you can just go through here and look for some that have designs that you like. I will search for Sparklewings because she's the one that always does my designs, and I would also recommend her, but here you will also find some other ones. So I just search for Sparklewings. Here we have her, a very lovely lady from India. I can click on her, and I always use this package in the basic option. If you like what you see, you can simply click on continue. Here will also probably be an upsell, but you don't really need that. And then you can click on order now. Now Fiverr wants us to sign up. Since you're watching this video, you probably don't have a Fiverr account already. So what you can do is click on join now, and then you can sign up via Facebook, Google, or you can simply enter your email account and then sign up. And that's not a hard process. I already have an account, so I click on sign in. And here you will probably have some payment options. I always choose PayPal, that's why it's here, but you could also choose another one. Once you're happy with everything, you can click on place your order. Now it's getting processed. This step is always a little different from seller to seller. Her requirements are that I tell her the nature of our product or business, company, whatever. Maybe the company name, the tagline and slogan, my target audience, color preferences, and maybe preferred font styles. Maybe your seller has some different options. I will just look out what he's writing here and then you can fill it in. But you also don't always have to fill in everything that's here. I will just write a quick text, and if you want to, you can also attach a file. Maybe you already have a competitor logo that you want to copy or something like that. Or maybe a logo that you like and you would like to have something similar. Here you can simply attach it and then your seller will also see it. I will just write a quick text. In this example, I just want to have a new logo for one of my YouTube channels. I didn't even mention any specific colors or fonts. I think she's pretty creative and she can also do a better job at this than me. But you probably have some ideas for your logo, so I will just describe it, and if you're done with that, you can click on this checkbox and click on Start Order. Then I can click on Not Now. Perfect. Awesome. As you can see here, the order is in progress. Now every seller takes a different time for completing their orders. This one will probably take about 12 hours. So I will get back in here in about 12 hours. Now it's been a few hours and the order is ready. I just came back to Fiverr.com and then I can click on messages up here, and here we see Sparklewings delivered your order. I can click on this and here we have it. You can see here, if there are any problems, please let me know. I get back to you as soon as I can. And as a note, that after the confirmation I will also get the PNG files. Then we can take a look at what she gave me down here. So this is the first logo and this is the second logo. There are also a bunch of different images. I actually do like this one, for example, especially since I didn't give her any specific orders. If I am pleased with the delivery, I can click on yes. If I'm not, I can click on no and get revisions, but I am pleased with it, so I click on yes. Approve final delivery. Perfect. Then I can rate it. Excellent. Continue. I just give her 5 stars. Write something. Send the feedback. Here you could give her a tip, but I click on no thanks. Perfect. And now I can scroll down again and download the source files by just clicking on them, and I can also download these images. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get a logo from Fiverr.com, and it only cost me about $5. I think that's a pretty nice deal. If you like this short tutorial, please leave a like. It only takes 1 second, but helps me tremendously. Thanks a lot. Good luck with your project and your logo. Bye.